You didn't think I was going to have all the fun to myself, did you? I'm just going to put one more screw up there because I can. Do it. Okay. Now to see how to bend this back, I got my earplugs on. They didn't even have it flat from before, and that's why some of the screws weren't even going in, because they didn't have it bent up. It's going up at an angle, and I can see where the whole post is. It's off to the right. I'm going to try to get it over there. Yeah, see, it's way off. There's a bow to it at the bottom here, and I'm trying to whack that in. If I can, it'll push the top over. If not, that's okay. I can put the screws in and stick them in at an angle. That's why some of those nails were missing from before that they had in. Let's just see if I can get it pushed over a little. I don't think I'm going to go any further than that. That's how they had it before. Okay, that's okay. I can do it. Got my 2.5 inchers here, and I'm going to stick one in at the top, and I'm going to put it in at an angle and drive the top over a little bit further if I can. And I think I can. I think I can. Let's see if I just can't get it in there at the angle. Drive it over a little bit, and I may have to take that screw out, you know, because it's not going to go in all the way. Oh, look at that. That worked. I got it better than it was. And I couldn't have done that without that ratcheted drill. No siree. I can put these in at an angle still. Okay. These ones off to the left, I don't know if I can hit, but if I angle it, I think I can. And it'll be better than it was before. That's for sure. Look at that. And I had the top plate, so I'll get a couple screws in at the top. Make sure you have your goggles on. No ifs, ands, or buts. because if a nail flakes off, chips off, a screw breaks, guess where it's going? Right in your eyeball if you don't have your glasses on. Oh, nice. Nice going. Ooh. See how easy it's going to be if I ever need to take that off again for any unknown reason. I have no idea why I would need to do that, but if I do, I can. I try not to drop these screws. These screws are expensive. One box, you can pay $6, $7, $8 a box. Okay, let's see if I can get this. I'd say that's almost as strong as it was before, if not stronger. But if I had an inspector come over and inspect this, he wouldn't approve it with screws in it. It'd have to be nails. Okay, but I already told you why I'm putting the screws in case I need to ever pull it apart, okay? Boy. That's amazing. 18 years these studs have dried out, and I was able to put a screw in it with this ratcheted drill. There's no way with a regular drill that you could do that. Break the tip off, or it just wouldn't go any further. It would just stop. You'd have to if I had my other drill, I'd have to pre-drill it with a drill bit. That's what I'd have to do. This one I don't have to do that. I wasn't sure if this battery would last, so I brought another battery up here. Usually when I do that, it seems like I never need it, but you just never know when you need a new battery. Have you been counting how many screws I put in? Remember, I took out about 14 nails, 14 or 15 nails. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18 screws I got in there. You think that's enough? I think that's enough. Oh. Wow. Well, hey, we're done with that section of the project. Another step is complete. Now you know what we're going to do next, don't you? Think about it. Give me your answer and next 10 seconds. What are we gonna do next? Oh, get a drink of water, that's what we're gonna do next. What are we gonna do next? Yeah, I gotta take the duct tape. I've got to take the duct tape off of this end, take the duct tape off of this Y, undo the screw, remember the screw that came out of this, and rearrange these, get everything resituated. And I brought my duct tape down here. I've even got 2 rolls here, and you know, see this one here, how it's getting wrinkly? It still works, but the longer I leave it, the worse it's going to get. It's going to get really sticky, and after a while it's not going to work too well. So I think I'm going to use this one rather than this one. Keep this one for later on down the road. Okay, so that's what I'm going to do next. Well, that's all I got for this time, but I'll be back with more videos.